Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to cover the next 30 most important multiple choice questions on the topic branches of biology. Perfect for your competitive exam preparation. These questions will help you boost your score and test your knowledge. Stay tuned till the end and see how many you can get right. Let's begin. Question number 1. What is the study of antigen and antibodies found in blood called? The right answer is option C, serology. Question number 2. Mimicology is the study of which of the following? The right answer is option D, ants. Question number 3. When a disease breaks out and spread from one place to another, affecting large number of people, it is called. The right answer is option B, epidemic. Question number 4. What is the study of the effects of toxic chemical substance on animal and plant called? The right answer is option A, toxicology. Question number 5. What is the study of blood known as? The right answer is option B, hematology. Question number 6. What is study of internal structure of organism called? The right answer is option B, anatomy. Question number 7. Which branch of science deals with the study of tissue found in the body of organism? The right answer is option B, histology. Question number 8. Which branch of biology is concerned with the study of function of internal organ of organism? The right answer is option A, physiology. Question number 9. What is the study of growth and development of embryo called? The right answer is option A, embryology. Question number 10. What is the technology concerned with living beings for willful manipulation on molecular level known as? The right answer is option C, biotechnology. Question number 11. What is the study of parasitic organism called? The right answer is option B, parasitology. Question number 12. What is study of lizards called? The right answer is option A, zoology. Question number 13. What is study of ultrasound imaging called? The right answer is option A, sonography. It is a diagnostic imaging technique that uses high frequency sound waves to create images of internal body structures. These images, also known as sonograms, can be used to evaluate a variety of conditions and guide medical procedures. Question number 14. What is study of female reproductive system called? The right answer is option C, gynecology. Question number 15. Gastroenterology is the study of. The right answer is option A, alimentary canal, also known as the digestive tract. It focuses on the function and disorders of the entire digestive system. Question number 16. What is study of pulse and arterial blood pressure called? The right answer is option A, sphygmology. Question number 17. Nephrology is the study of. The right answer is option B, kidney. Question number 18. What is the study of blood vascular system known as? The right answer is option A, angiology. Question number 19. What is study of nose and olfactory organs called? The right answer is option B, rhinology. It is specifically focused on the sense of smell and the olfactory system. Question number 20. What is the treatment of body defects through massage and exercise called? The right answer is option C, physiotherapy. Question number 21. In which branch of biology we study about treatment of mental disorders? The right answer is option B, psychiatry. Question number 22. Ophthalmology is the branch of science in which we study about. The right answer is option C, eye. Question number 23. What is an animal who have constant body temperature called? The right answer is option A, homeothermic. Question number 24. Pathology is the branch of science which deals with the study of. The right answer is option D, all of them. It involves examining tissues, organs, bodily fluids, and even whole bodies to understand how diseases affect the body and to aid in diagnosis and treatment. Question number 25. Which branch of biology deals with the study of processing and preservation of food? The right answer is option A, food technology. Question number 26. What is making interesting discoveries unexpectedly or by accident known as? The right answer is option A, serendipity. Question number 27. In which branch of science we study about curing disease, deformities, and injuries by physical operations? The right answer is option C, surgery. Surgery involves the use of manual and instrumental techniques to diagnose, treat, and alter bodily functions. It includes procedures to remove unwanted tissues, reconstruct parts of the body, or repair injuries. For example, general surgeons perform operations to treat conditions like appendicitis, hernias, and cancer. Question number 28. Chiropody is a branch of science related to which part of body? The right answer is option C, feet. Question number 29. What is the common term for ancylostoma? The right answer is option D, hookworm. Question number 30. What is study of bacteria known as? The right answer is option C, bacteriology. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe the channel. See you in the next video.